Hello and welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we feature the first housing project in Washington, D.C. built from shipping containers, designed by DC-based architect Travis Price. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container housing project. Welcome back. If you like our content and want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button below. If you have a container project or a container rental you would like us to feature on our channel, kindly get in touch by posting in the comment section below. Or you can contact us on our website sheltermode.com. Without further ado, let's get started. This novel residential project was the first shipping container housing of its kind in Washington, D.C. and was designed by DC-based architect Travis Price. The structure is built using 18 repurposed shipping containers. The containers are lined up in 2 rows of 3 to constitute an apartment floor of 6 containers. The building consists of 4 levels, with each floor serving as an apartment unit. The apartments are designed as shared housing. Each apartment has a large common area in the middle for an open kitchen, living, and dining space. There is a bump out at the midspan to accommodate a dining space and part of the stairwell. In addition, each apartment consists of 6 240 square foot bedrooms, each with its own bathroom and study. The containers sit on a concrete foundation, which also serves as a basement level to the house. The basement floor has been formed out to match the upper stories, and it also has 6 bedrooms. The apartments are tastefully finished and listed as separate rental units. Each apartment has got its unique design with modern finishes and does not skimp on comfort and convenience. The large central living space brings the entire home together, forming the focal point of each unit. The living space features chic furniture decor for all your home entertainment needs. The expansive open-plan living room features a cozy lounge space furnished with sofa seats, custom coffee tables, and a floor mat to define the lounge space. Behind the lounge area is a large restaurant-style kitchen fully furnished with stainless steel appliances, enough counter space, and adequate overhead shelving and under-the-counter storage. Remarkably, the kitchen has a long stainless steel island-style table which doubles as a master meal preparation station and a breakfast spot with stools for sitting. There is a bump out at midspan of the living room to accommodate a dining space that can fit a sizable dining table for 4 or more depending on the configuration. Each unit has 6 private bedrooms, each with its own bathroom and study. Each bedroom is accommodated inside one container module. To reduce that feeling of confinement, each bedroom is fitted with floor-to-ceiling windows, which makes the bedroom space awash with light, creating that feel of openness and spaciousness. Container cargo doors in selected shipping containers are welded open and covered to create Juliet balconies for some bedrooms. Each spacious bathroom features a toilet, a glass shower cubicle, a modern wash-hand basin, and a sizable mirror, which makes the bathroom even more appealing. The doors of the containers are welded open in order to create big metal fins to sunshade the glazed openings. The resultant openings are fitted with floor-to-ceiling glass windows for maximum daylighting and ventilation. In addition, the big openings create a sense of openness and spaciousness, helping to reduce the claustrophobic feel of living in a shipping container box. The shipping containers were pre-cut in the workshop and trucked on site to be hoisted into place. The interior walls of the containers are cut out to create the expansive open-plan common room. Portions of the inner walls adjoining the containers are retained as structural elements, clearly visible in the open-plan living space. The closed ends of the containers constitute the space for bedrooms and bathrooms. The interior walls and the ceiling are framed with 2x4s and insulated with closed-cell polyurethane foam insulation, and the entire interior space lined with beech plywood. The plywood finish on the walls and ceiling adds to the visual warmth of the apartment interiors. The flat roof on the top floor was given spray foam on the inside and tapered rigid insulation on the outside, creating a total R value of roughly 52, which is sufficient enough to protect the habitable spaces below. The apartments retain the original marine-grade plywood floors to celebrate the marine life of the shipping containers. The walls on the outside of the main living spaces and the stairwell were cut out and covered with translucent sheets, a type of see-through plastic to add a bit of contrast to the predominantly steel exterior, as well as providing adequate daylighting to these common spaces. At night, the translucent structure glows like a giant night lantern. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are repainted and are visible throughout the exterior, which celebrates the industrial vibe of the design. The trees and the vegetation around the building helps to soften the industrial language of the house. Each apartment has a unique interior design with modern finishes and is listed as a separate rental unit. This apartment unit number 4 is listed as a rental on apartments.com. Feel free to check it out through the link in the description below. We love the amazing interior finishes in each apartment. Which part of this design appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, We also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.